So here's some of the iterations. I tried to make it a bit deeper, but what I found is when screwing in the side, it actually pulls the sides apart, so that wasn't too good. It does have a, I'll show you this, it does have a hole in the bottom. It's a tripod sort of mounting hole, 1/4 inch number 20 bolt hole here. I also found when screwing in the side, you won't get this if you use a new iteration, that can damage the side a bit, scrape the, I think it's sort of enamel stuff off. So that does have a couple of other holes here. I'm not sure what size those are. So I made this like cooling hole a bit wider so that the bolt can go in. Then you can screw it in. I've left a hole in the side in case you need it. You can screw it in there. I would probably recommend a washer actually. Screw that in. As long as you've got room round the back to allow for some sort of mounting device. I'm going to have a plate on the top of mine to go on my carriage, and then you can adjust it like that. You'll have an adjustment on this screw here to move the laser unit up and down a bit in here, and then there's this nail nut on here which I believe you can twist the focus a bit if you want. As I say in the other video, obviously you've got the Z carriage. Hope that's not going out of focus there. I'll just show you around that. So this is the latest iteration, and the hole is deliberately put down a little, not totally centre, so that covers the thing a bit better, so you can go quite a range of height there if you need to. Well, I put so that the hole here, which is a little bit offset down in this case, is also going like near the lens, so to speak. So it's like that. My height will probably be somewhere around about here. I would probably recommend a washer. The length of the bolt I'm using there, I'll just measure that. Actually, I don't know what length it is. It's just a spare bolt I had, 1/4 inch number 20 sort of tripod bolt size. I tried it on a tripod mount. So that is 20mm, 3/4 inch long, the bolt I'm using. And you've got a bit of a gap on the inside here for the bolt to go in quite far, but be careful it doesn't actually touch the laser there. Wrong one, isn't it? Yes, that's the wrong one. It's one of the earlier iterations. I didn't make the air gaps, so it's got these air gaps, and it's got like air that can circulate through the edge there. Not sure if I'm putting it in the right way up. Yes, I am. So that's the way I recommend that going up. And tripod hole to screw in. Tighten that up. That is in there. I've only hand tightened that obviously, but that is in there pretty strong. As I would say, recommend a washer on there and snug that down. That's in there pretty tight, isn't even like by hand like that. Okay, so that's the final iteration. So I wouldn't use this. I'll leave it on the design just in case you are, but I wouldn't use that because it causes issues.